Yo, what up? So Gone Challenge, education style. First things first. You gotta understand, if you wanna be successful, then you gotta have a plan. You wanna climb that ladder, yo, you wanna reach the top, you gotta listen clearly to the knowledge that'll drop. Poverty is what I see all around me, but I know that's not the way that it's supposed to be. I try my best to not to stress and let it down me. Be looking for that positive opportunity. I say, okay, there's got to be a better way. Although it's dark, I guarantee there'll be a brighter day. Your education is the way, so walk down that path. Learn that language, arts, history, science, and math. The biggest problem with the kids, you have no self-vision, so you constantly keep making all those bad decisions. Look in the mirror and learn something about yourself. Get that education and accumulate some wealth. Money, money, money. Everybody want $1, but nobody wants to study and become a merit scholar. You want to make that money, you want to stack that green, you got to understand education's what you need. Pull out a book and read just a little bit. Don't be a follower and lead just a little bit. Yo, have the courage to succeed just a little bit. You better listen and take heed just a little bit. Whatever you want to do, yo, you can do it. All you gotta do is put your mind to it. Whatever you want to be, man, you can be it. Enlarge your vision, cause first you gotta see it. Whatever you want to have, girl, you can have it. All you gotta do is reach up and grab it. Whatever you want, there is no limitation. When you choose to get that education, dare to believe that anything you can achieve. Don't be naive, anything your mind can conceive. A doctor, yes, or a lawyer, that is possible. An actress who won an Oscar for a starring role. A scientist mixing chemicals in the laboratory. A news reporter who was covering a major story. A principal or a teacher teaching in the class. A politician with the bill that you are trying to pass. A governor or a mayor of a major city. A super producer like Dr. Dre or P. Diddy. A football star or a boxer with a right hook. A carpenter or a famous culinary cook. A pharmacist, a dentist or a pediatrician. A CEO, a beautician or a jazz musician. An orator or a pastor of a congregation. It doesn't matter, just be sure to get that education. Yo, So Gone Challenge. Pastor Corey Allen Duncan Sr. Shout out City of Hope Community Church. Shout out my sister Kimberly Joyce Duncan. Rest in peace. Y'all, it's all about that education. I aspire to inspire before I expire. Get that education. Holla.